Don't feel like reading? Reading isn't what you're needing? This summary with Sunny has got you covered.
Let's be real, medical bills can hit harder than just about anything else. One emergency room visit, one surgery, and suddenly you're staring at a pile of debt you never planned for. If you're a homeowner here in Sacramento, you might feel stuck, but you actually have more options than you think. And one of the most powerful tools is something called a non-QM refinance. Now, here's the problem with traditional lenders. They look at your credit score, see those medical collections, and slam the door. But non-QM refinance programs, they're built for real life. They don't require perfect credit. They don't make you prove income the old-fashioned way. Instead, they focus on your equity, your assets, or even your bank statements. And when you use that to consolidate your medical debt, a few really important things happen. First, you can lower your monthly payments, which gives you breathing room. Second, by paying off those medical bills, your credit score can start climbing again. And maybe best of all, you finally stop getting those collection calls and letters. I've seen Sacramento homeowners use this strategy to wipe out tens of thousands in medical bills, free up cash, and finally feel like they're back in control. And once that pressure's gone, you can focus on what really matters: your recovery and your future. So if medical debt has been hanging over your head, just know you're not alone and you're not out of options. With the right non-QM refinance, you can turn your home equity into relief and finally breathe again. At KEES Lending, our motto is simple questions deserve simple answers. If you're ready to explore whether this could work for you, reach out. We'll walk you through your options. No judgment, no pressure, just solutions.